Hey there, bikers! Welcome to Facts with Me. Today we're going to show you how to lube your motorcycle chain like a pro. Here are the materials you'll need: chain lube, a rag, gloves, and your motorcycle. First, clean the chain with a rag to remove any dirt or debris. Next, apply chain lube to the chain, making sure to cover the entire length. Step 4. Wipe off excess. Now, wipe off any excess lube with a rag to prevent attracting dirt. Step 5. Check and repeat. Finally, check the chain to make sure it's properly lubed and repeat the process